I also saw you with your pants down, and it looks like you pissed right now.
I had to piss my pants down.
I understand that.
I've been walking all day.
You can't do that out in public, right on the public street.
What am I supposed to do?
Huh?
What am I supposed to do?
Go to a public bathroom.
I was walking, I ain't near a public.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. I need you to set that bat down. I'm not going to take it away from you, but I need you to set that bat down. Huh?
Why?
Because I'm going to detain you.
Why?
I just told you.
What did I do?
I just told you.
What?
You were urinating
I didn't
out on
urinate.
Prospect.
How did I urinate?
Someone saw that, and as soon as I pulled up here, I literally saw you with your pants down,
walking the whole day. I pissed
and I saw your penis out,
pants.
and you were pissing right here.
I pissed in my pants though.
How would you piss in your pants if your penis was out?
Because I had to take it out. I had to piss for rapid the whole day.
Doesn't matter. I need to get your information. I need you to have that bat down.
I had to piss.
I understand that.
For what?
I'm not going to take that bat away from you.
But what
But I
do you
need
need?
you to set it down.
What do you need from me?
I want you to stand up, set the bat down, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
I already told you.
I didn't do shit. I'm just sitting here in the shade, bro. I'm standing in the shade.
I already told you.
What did I do?
I'm not going to tell you again.
What did I do?
I already told you.
What did I do?
I want you to set that bat
What
down.
did I do?
I want you to set
Start talking. Police, stop! Show me your hands. Show me your hands. What did I do? What am I doing?
See anything else?
Fuck, man.
There's maximum 1 prep 1, 1721. You're behind where?
Fucking want that damn fucking bag.
Are you sticking out?
Stop
Stop
moving, bro.
moving around, man. Alright, get out. Jesus Christ.
I have a co-medic.
Are you able to get yourself up?
Yeah.
Okay. How are we going to be able to get you up? Lift you up like that?
Lynn Oak and Prospect.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, just get him sitting on our head.
Stay with me. Come on.
Hey. Hey,
Stay with me.
snap out of it.
Stay with me.
I'm trying to have him stand up. He's got like a broken elbow. Ambulance? Yeah, we got code 1. If you could just guide him this way, because we can't get him moved. Are you okay?
Hit me all on my fucking right arm.
At least get him on the right side.
Fuck!
What's going on here?
Fucking arm hurt. He fucking hit me with the damn bat.
You hit you with the bat? Where at?
On my fucking arm.
Work hard. You're good to go.
Roscoe.
Don't need any more cars for faster.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Fucking no.
Better to take that main card. Manning card.
Yeah. Where? Where's that bat?
Right here. Right there.
Bat is here. He hit me with the bat twice. Pulled my gun.
You alright?
You fucking arm hurt.
Yes, sir. You need to go down to the hospital now? Get some x-rays?